And Mr. Zapata's here. You're already under oath. Thank you, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Maria Gutierrez?
Maria Gutierrez? Yes.
And Mr. Parker, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Sure, Your Honor.
Ms. Gutierrez, in cause number 25, DCCR 1120, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of property from May 8th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
No se declara. Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker and the translator?
Yes.
Do you fully understand those documents?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes.
State tenders number
No
1.
objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Gutierrez is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And at this time, find you guilty of theft of property. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. I also handed you an admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you are ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. The admonishment is in Spanish. You should read it carefully. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should ask Mr. Parker.
Arma de juego como un tipo de arma o pistola. Sí, no puede tener usted.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Good luck to you. You can go back with the bailiff.
Es todo, gracias.
Pero desecho mucho derecho.
Crédito. Sí.
Voy a poner la cara por.
¿Perdón?
Voy a venir otra vez a
No, ya no. Ya va a empezar.
empezar.
Sí. That's for her? Yes. Okay. Eso es para usted.
Thank you. Thanks, Ron. Jacoby and Dorsey. Okay, so you're Jacoby and Dorsey. All right, and was there any additional negotiations?
Just for the record, Judge, I've asked him without talking to Mr. Coleman if he would take the 20 years if it wasn't stacked. He indicated that he wouldn't. Mr. Coleman kind of it implied that he may offer that, so I didn't know if you want to change that, but it hasn't really been an offer of that, but.
All right, so Mr. Dorsey, it sounds like even if it was a sentence that would run concurrently at the same time as that 30-year sentence that you're serving now, or could be serving if the appeal is affirmed, that you don't want to take any offer or a plea on this case. Is that correct? All right, then what I'll do is get your case set for trial. Mr. Dorsey, Mr. Parker has been appointed to you, and he's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him, and I can appoint a new attorney today who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? All right, we'll get that done. Mr. Parker, you're released, and Mr. Dorsey, someone will be appointed today. They should be out to see you very soon to begin preparation for trial. And do y'all know how long the appeal has been pending? Do y'all have any idea?
It's been a couple months at least.
Okay. It was out of the other court though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So if y'all get any information on that, if you'll just let me know, it'd be nice to have that potentially by the time we go to trial, but we'll see. All right. Thank you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
And I think that Rep Life's hired on that David Greer.
Yeah, and you have Patrick Trahan?
It's getting evaluated.
Are you filing something?
I will, yeah. He's one that was normal, then just went crazy yesterday.
Oh, we need to reset him?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're gonna reset Patrick Trahan for an evaluation. Yes.
On Dorsey's representative next door on the revocation, it was an MTRP revocation. And
Right.
It got 30 years.
Yeah,
And then
that's-
they filed a bill for
Yeah, that's what they said. Thank you.
What was the charge?
aggravated robbery.
Let's see.
It's the case where the guy got killed out in Courtroom.
Mr. Kimler on Naomi Kidd. So I have that sentencing, but why'd y'all do new paperwork? I don't understand.
This is agreed. I just took count one.
I mean, he's already pled on 4, 5, 8, 9, and 13.
Okay.
Pled true before, and we got an updated pre-sentence report. And he wants to change his plea
It's fine,
on,
4, 5, whichever he's played true to.
what, am I on Naomi Kidd?
Yes.
Okay, well, this is one we have lost our file, so I had to get it recreated, so I just have the motion. Was there it looks like it was an amended motion? And somehow that file got lost, so I'm behind.
All right, so
That's
what we,
fine if he's already pled, Judge, we'll just go with those counts.
so previously, Mr. Kidd was in court, entered pleas of true in a motion to revoke, or a motion to adjudicate, and pled true to, again, counts 4, 5, 8, 9, and 13. At that time, it was unagreed.
He subsequently received 117 months in the federal system, Your Honor, and we've reached an agreement.
Okay. So he has already been sentenced in the federal system to 117 months.
And it will run consecutively to this.
Okay.
That's why we're doing the low offer, just to clear this case, Judge.
And that's by court order of the federal judge.
Okay.
I've got a copy of that, Judge, if you can see it.
So he's on, I understand what y'all are, I understand what y'all are trying to do. However, I don't know that just getting rid of the case is what I think is appropriate. If he's on probation for robbery, placed on probation November 16th of 2022, and has now been sentenced, which means he either pled guilty or a jury found him guilty of new offenses while on this probation of Hobbs Act robbery, brandishing a firearm in a crime of violence, possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute, and possession of a firearm in furtherance of a drug trafficking crime.
Your Honor, I'm not sure the offense dates of all that. They may predate him being placed on probation.
They dismissed all the other charges.
What did you get 117 months on?
For the brandishing and the rob, the other charge was dismissed.
So the brandishing a firearm in a crime of violence. So brandishing a firearm in the robbery, but they just,
It's two charges, it's the same charge, but it's just two different charges. It's the same crime, just two different charges.
so the Hobbs Act robbery and the brandishing a firearm. Okay, and you got 117 months for those. Okay, I want to know offense date.
What was the offense? When was that arrested and committed?
Do you have that?
I've got a judgment, but it says offense ended 2/19 of 25. I don't know if that means that was the offense date or